Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go Guitar. Josh Cullen, first time here on Go Guitar, and he has a song called Sumaya. I believe he's a Filipino guy, and he's singing in his language here in this song. I believe Sumaya, it is translated into have fun, if I'm not mistaken. I had that checked up a while ago. I think it was Have Fun, Sumaya. So this is Josh Cullen, first time here on Go Guitar. Let's take a look at his song. And it fits guitar very, very well, guys. We have 4 chords, very basic and common chords in this little guitar world. But we have them if we place the capo here on the 3rd fret. So that is important. That's the best scenario for us, capo on 3rd. Let's take a look at the chords. Starting with the E minor, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G, 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And then the final chord will be the D F. That is basically the D chord, but with this F sharp in the bass. And that goes 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B. And that is usually it, but I keep that 3rd fret E string again. You can do that, you can skip it and go with the open E string. It's up to you. It's very convenient from the G to have that. You don't have to care anything about the bottom strings down there. You just recoup with your finger from G to this one. It's up to you, but that is how I do it. So we have the same chord progression through the entire song, and it is in the same order we just learned the chord. E minor, C, G, and the D, F. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern. All right. So we have a strumming pattern that is divided into 2 different parts, and it's actually just a small part in the end there that differs from the chords depending on where you are in the song. So we're gonna look at the full strumming pattern here, and we're gonna do that with the C actually, because that is the 2nd chord, and that is the first time we're gonna play the full round here of strumming. So one full round goes like this. So the first part will be down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So down, and then up, down, down, up, down, down. So 1 down, and then 2 times up, down, down. That is the first part, and then the second part will be simply down, up. Okay, so very easy. First part, and then down, up. The second part. So together it sounds like this. So the part 2 comes right after part 1. So no pause in between there. That is one full string round. If you wanna play this more with the clap and the beat built in here, then you just follow the same strumming pattern we just learned, but you will have to replace 2 downs with a clap instead. So the first down you're gonna replace is this one. You're gonna play first down, up, and then the down that follows there, replace that with a clap. So there will be clap down, and then you continue with up, down, and the final down in the part 1. Replace that one with a clap. And if you continue with part 2, then you just play the down up there. So one string around with a clap and beats built in will be like this slowly. With the part 2 in the end. All right, so a couple rounds. From now on, it's very, very simple. You're gonna play E minor, part 1. So you don't have the down up in the end there. You just have a pause, so it will be like this. And then you shift chord. To C, you play 1 full round with the part 2 in the end there. And then you play G, 1 full round with the part 2 in the end there. And then you end with the DF, just part 1. In the same way as E minor, you just have a pause in the end after up, down, down. And then you just play like this throughout the song. It goes like this, slowly. With the clap version, you just play the same, follow the same principle there, and that is Josh Cullen's Have Fun. So that is very important in life, guys. So when you play guitar, you have to have fun, otherwise you will quit, and this is one tool. Goring Guitar will help with that. So I just want to highlight our Wish Wednesdays. If you have a song you want to learn, then feel free to leave a comment. Perhaps it will be your song I bring up on Wednesdays. So hope to see you soon on this channel, guys. Until next time, play tuned.